Contestant 156, hello! What's your name? And how old are you po? 3. So, ilan to? Oh, ilan yan? 1, 2, 3, 4. Kanina ka sa bagay, ito 6. Kayo talaga. O, sige. Ano gagawin mo today? Are you gonna sing? Are you gonna dance? Dance! Are you ready? Ready! Oh, who's with you? Huh? Is that your daddy? Oh, okay, ready ka na? Hi, daddy! Ayan, okay, ready? Ready! Palakpakan po natin, contestant 156. Ang galing-galing mo namang mag-dance. Fan ka ng Bini? You like Bini? Oh! Palakpakan po natin si contestant 156. Ang cute-cute mo naman. Halika na. Ayan. Thank you. And syempre ha, open pa rin po ang ating registration booth.